Okay, so never eat sour worms, never eat soggy waffles. That's what a lot of students use. But I like yours. I won't say it so we don't copyright it. Okay, nobody else can steal it. I heard they stink. Yeah, I heard it's horrendous. Like fish and poop. So, okay. Alrighty, longitude, latitude. Think you're probably a pro on this, right? Just need it. Longitude and latitude lines used to describe location. Underneath that, I want you to be, it's like a coordinate. You have your X and your Y, right? And you have to have how many to get a point? Two. 2 points to get a coordinate. Does that makes more sense, yeah? And remember, 0 is a point. Okay. So, did you write that two coordinates to make a point? Okay. So the first one is the latitude, and we kind of did that. Oh, I like that. Remember, lines are flat. Maybe. So we've got that. Lat lines are flat. Okay. You got it, kiddo. Yeah. No, oh, wait. All right, you good? Okay. Now the longitude lines, just kind of beating a dead horse once again, is it divides in east and west. We've got the prime meridian that separates it, and so longitudes are long. Long is longitude. I kind of did that. If you want, you can fill this in. We kind of did that with that worksheet, yeah. So the prime meridians up and down, the equators in prime meridians up and down. Now, one thing too is that, and that's what we're going to learn, is that we're taking a circular thing and we're going to turn it into a square, right? So this outside line here, do you see this? That's also another special line. Okay. All right. Then we got the equators. We've got east, east, north, south, excuse me, east, west to east, north, south. Can you label those two lines? Maybe on the front, 0 degrees and 0 degrees, okay? All right. That was with another worksheet. And then I'm going to get you set up. We kind of were getting them before, but I just had to fill this in first, okay? Alrighty, so that is with the hearts, okay? So this is just how you do it. For example, the X, what's our coordinates on the X? What's the heart? 0, just, yeah. And I guess it wouldn't be directional, correct? Okay, go ahead and answer those. What do you find at 40 north? What numbers? So you're just going to do the coordinates of the numbers, okay? Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 y 2 en el amarillo, 4 en el verde, 3 en el azul, y 5 en el azul y rojo. All right, probably butchered my Spanish there. But. Which one are you doing? Or do you have coordinates?